Have trouble with. He is having trouble with his battery. I am having trouble with this math homework. The soccer player had trouble with his knee.
How are your tennis lessons?
Good, but I'm having trouble with my serve. Hear from. He is waiting to hear from the doctor about his tests. I haven't heard from Dave recently. It's nice to hear from you.
Has Mary called you since she went to China?
Not yet. If I don't hear from her soon, I'm going to start worrying. Hear of. Have you ever heard of a two-headed snake? I have never heard of an earthquake in this city. Yes, I've heard of that restaurant. I think it's in the north end of town.
Let's go see a movie sometime.
Okay, if I hear of a good one, I'll tell you. Help oneself. Help oneself to. He is helping himself to a cookie. Help yourself to the cake. At the buffet, everyone helps themselves.
Please, help yourself to some pie.
Thank you. It looks delicious. Here you are. Here you are. Could I use your pen? Sure, here you are. I would like a chocolate ice cream cone, please. Here you are.
Can I have a sip of your water, please?
Sure, here you are. Hold on. We had to hold on while the traffic light was red. Hold on, I'm coming. Please hold on while I find your file.
Here is the pizza you ordered.
Hold on, I'll go get my wallet. Hold up. He held up the mouse for everyone to see. The soldier was holding up the flag. The class became silent when the teacher held up his hand.
What do you do at your new job?
I stand on the sidewalk and hold up a sign advertising the restaurant. Hurry up. Hurry up. Hurry up or we will be late. You will miss the bus if you don't hurry up.
Let's hurry up and finish before dinner.
Good idea. I'm hungry. In a hurry. He is in a hurry. Why are you in such a hurry? Don't be in such a hurry.
Why are you in a hurry?
My piano lesson starts in 5 minutes, so I have to run if I don't want to be late. In a moment. He will be asleep in a moment. I'll be with you in a moment. She'll be back in a moment.
Can I have a large cola, please?
Yes, I'll bring it to you in a moment. In case of. Take an umbrella in case of rain. In case of emergency, press the red button. In case of fire, do not use the elevator.
Please call 911 in case of a robbery.
Okay, I'll remember that. In fact. In fact, there is no dark side of the moon. I really like you. In fact, I love you. It rained a lot yesterday. In fact, it was the wettest day of the year so far.
This is a great birthday party. Is Heinrich going to come too?
Yes, he is. In fact, here he comes now. In front of. There is a dinosaur in front of the house. The conductor stood in front of the orchestra. She stood in front of the mirror.
I'll meet you in front of the school at 3 o'clock.
Okay, I'll see you then. In general. In general, Asian food is less fattening than Western food. In general, I like cats. The movie was in general not very interesting.
Do you like France?
I like Europe in general because each country is interesting. In harmony. In harmony with. It is important that we live in harmony with nature. Dogs live in harmony with humans. The two countries worked in harmony.
I'm glad that Jack and Jill got married.
Yes, I hope that they can live in harmony. In honor of. We lit the candle in honor of our grandmother. They had a party in honor of the man's retirement. The president gave a speech in honor of the soldiers.
My parents have been married for 25 years.
You should have a party in honor of their anniversary. In just a minute. In just a minute it will be midnight. We will be leaving in just a minute. The movie will be starting in just a minute.
Can you help me with this program?
I'll be there in just a minute. In search of. The helicopter went in search of the people missing in the mountains. We went in search of a good Italian restaurant. They went to Africa in search of the white elephant.
It's late. Why are you here at the store?
We were watching a video and we got hungry, so we're here in search of snacks. In silence. The boy behaved badly, so his mother made him sit in silence. They walked down the road in silence. The family ate in silence.
Do you mind if I turn on the radio?
Actually, I prefer to study in silence. In the meantime. He had to wait for the bus. In the meantime, he read the paper. My car is in the shop. I am using my sister's in the meantime. I will be late for the meeting. In the meantime, discuss next month's agenda.
I know we should go to the store, but first I have to wash these clothes.
Okay, I'll read my book in the meantime.